So let's explore some more attributes about table. So we can, if you want to create some cell spacing, or you can create space between each cell in the table. So how we can do that? We have attribute for that, cell spacing. So you can mention the size for the cell spacing. So let's see how does it work. So this is the table that we have created in the previous video, and now we have each cell. So if you have the text inside the cell, this is the cell that which exists the text. So if you want to make some space between each cell, how we can do that? So let's see. You need to create an attribute. It is cell spacing is equal to, so whatever value you want to mention over here, you can give that value over here. So let's see the result. So let's refresh the page. So now you can see that each cell have the space between themselves. So you can increase the value like 10, and you can refresh the page. So now you can see that each cell have the space between them. The next attribute we have is a cell padding. Cell padding is the cell spacing means each cell have the external space between each others, and the cell padding means the text inside the cell have spacing inside the cell. So let's see how does it work. We have our table, and this table is consistent data, and we want to apply our cell padding on our table. So for that reason, I want to give the value 5. So let's see the result. So I am here, and let's refresh the page. So now you can see that this is the text, and the padding means the space inside the text. So you need to give the space between, this is the size given to the text inside the cell. So it makes the space from the cell border to the text, means increase the size inside the cell. So if I increase the value to 10, so you will see that the cell size will be increased, because it increases the size between the text and the border of the cell. So if I increase this to 15, so you will see that the size inside the cell will be increased. In this video, we will look at the row span attribute. Using the row span attribute, we can merge two cells inside a table. If you have the table like Ali, father name, address, marks, total marks, and date of birth. So if you want to add two cells, means the obtained marks and total marks, and you want to mention single value, so you will use row span. So let's see how does it work. So sometimes we have two values. So this is total marks, and this is the heading, this is obtained marks, and we have the data for that, and this is the total marks and obtained marks. If I want to merge these two cells in single row, if I want to merge these two cells in a single row, means obtained marks of Ali. So what I need to do, I need to write the code like this. So I need to delete this row, and I need to put an attribute. This is row span, and you have to put the value, how many rows, how many cells you want to merge. So you want to merge two cells, and let's see the result. So now you can see